You have reached your destination.
Yep. All right, so I've got the sending unit in. I put some gasket, RTV, whatever the hell it is. Let me see if I can get this. This stuff, gasket dressing and sealant. With the sending unit came a cork gasket and a rubber one. It's not rubber; it's something else, but gas resistant. I put the gas resistant one in, kept the cork one for later. I've also hooked up a ground cable, which you see here, and that's necessary for the correct functioning of the whole thing. I may just hook it into that and call it a day. Shorten this, of course, but so I've done a bang up, which is to say a shit job of my fuel lines. I see a kink there, if it'll focus, and I didn't do a great job there. Plus, it's too long and goes into my non-SU generic thing here. I'm likely to pull this thing off, cut it right there, flare it, and run a hose to it. The question is, though, whether or not that will constitute... I don't know if these things... if they're gonna... what's the word I'm looking for? Collapse under vacuum. Who knows? I guess I'll have to think about it or look at it or do some research. And so ostensibly what I would do, run it from that... from here, I'll install a clip here, go down from here, down to here, and straight in. I've got more than enough length there, that's not tough, but I guess we'll see. Sure it'll be easier, and I sure don't like how I don't know. I did a pressure test that thing, it's okay. Which is to say I plugged one in, put a suction with my mouth on the other, and it didn't give way. But who knows if it's yeah, I don't know. I don't know.